Common myths you still believe. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. Even astronauts say it is too thin to be seen with the naked eye. Eating carrots improves night vision. Carrots are healthy, but they won't give you supervision. This myth was war propaganda. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Lightning can and does strike the same place multiple times, especially skyscrapers. Touching a baby bird makes the mother reject it. Birds don't have a strong sense of smell. A mother won't reject her chick just because you touched it. You only use 10% of your brain. Brain scans show we use nearly all parts of our brain, even when resting. You swallow spiders in your sleep. Spiders avoid humans, especially breathing, moving ones. This myth is 100% fake. Shaving makes hair grow thicker. Your hair only feels thicker because the edges are blunt after shaving. Bulls hate the color red. Bulls are colorblind to red. They charge at movement, not the color. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Nope. It's just gas bubbles popping in your joints. Totally harmless. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Goldfish can actually remember things for months. They race smarter than you think.